The All Ordinaries finished 0.7% higher, which still leaves it down slightly for the month of June so far, and down 7.5% for the June quarter so far. Now here's a chart of the index for the past 11 or so months, and you can see that it's going nowhere fast. It's basically steady, down just a bit. And so is the global index, but the S&P 500 index on Wall Street is up 10% over that period. Australia's resources stocks are down 23% because the global economy has slowed, industrials are steady, and banks are up 8% because of the chase for yield. Blue chips have been steady, but small stocks have gone down 15% on average. And today was a similar story to the past 12 months. Resources were down, led by Rio Tinto and Woodside. Banks were up, and Telstra is approaching its record high of 371 again. AMP jumped nearly 2% after the company bought the big self-managed super fund administration business Cavendish. European markets were steady overnight, but there was a reasonable lift on Wall Street after it was reported that home prices rose 0.7% across America, on top of the 0.7% rise the month before. Most Asian markets followed suit, except for China, because it looks like the Chinese property market is doing the opposite of the American one. That is, while the US real estate bust seems to be over, the Chinese bust may have only just begun. The latest Chinese property index shows prices falling for the first time since the brief fall in the middle of the GFC. The Australian dollar is slightly higher tonight, but it's going nowhere fast at the moment too. And that's finance.